In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly convert a Microsoft Word document into Google Docs. This conversion not only allows you to edit and share your documents with others, but also seamlessly integrates with the various tools and features that Google Workspace offers. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Docs homepage. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so to access Google Docs. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a familiar layout with your recent documents displayed, along with various templates you can choose from to create a new document. But today, we're focusing on converting an existing Microsoft Word file into a Google Doc. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New. This is your starting point for a variety of actions, from creating a new document to uploading a file. Click on New, and from the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This will open a window that allows you to browse through files on your computer. In this window, locate the Microsoft Word file you wish to convert. This can be any Word document saved on your computer. Once you've found it, click on the file to highlight your selection, then click Open. This action initiates the upload process. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. As your document uploads, Google Docs will automatically convert it from its Word format to a Google Docs format. This is a great feature because it means you don't have to worry about manually changing formats or compatibility issues. Google handles it all for you. You'll notice that the document retains much of its original formatting, including fonts, images, and tables, which ensures that your document looks the way it did in Word. And just like that, your conversion is complete. You now have a fully editable Google Doc, stored securely in your Google Drive. You can access it from any device with internet access, share it with colleagues for collaboration, or continue editing using Google Docs' powerful tools. This streamlined process makes switching from Word to Google Docs incredibly easy and efficient, allowing you to enjoy the cloud-based benefits that Google offers. If this is something you'll be doing often, consider creating folders within Google Drive to keep your documents organized. This will make it easier to find and manage your files as you continue to convert and create new documents. Thanks to Google's intuitive design, managing your digital workspace has never been easier, so there you have it. A simple way to convert your Microsoft Word documents to Google Docs. This straightforward process ensures that your documents are accessible, editable, and shareable within Google's versatile ecosystem. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.